In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in Canva. If you've ever created something for one platform and needed it to fit another, like turning a square post into a vertical story or a widescreen slide, this process will save you tons of time while keeping your design consistent. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see everything you are working with. With your design on screen, look toward the top toolbar for the Resize or Magic Switch Resize button. This is a pro feature, and it's the fastest way to convert your layout. Click it. Then choose the size you need from the presets, or search for a format like Instagram Story or YouTube Thumbnail. You'll see two options. Resize this design, which converts the file you are in, or Copy and Resize, which creates a duplicate at the new size and keeps your original intact. If you want a safety net, choose Copy and Resize, so you always have a backup to return to. If you need an exact aspect ratio that isn't listed, open the same Resize menu and select Custom Size. Set your units to pixels for most digital projects. Then type your width and height. For example, 1080 by 1920 gives you a 916 am vertical canvas. If you are aiming for widescreen, 1920 by 1080 is 16:9, and for a perfect square, 1080 by 1080 works well. Once you confirm, Canva will generate the new canvas at the dimensions you entered. After resizing, take a moment to fine-tune your layout. Elements may shift as the canvas changes shape, so rearrange, stretch, or crop them to fit the new format. For images, double-click to adjust the crop and reposition the focal point, so the subject remains centered or aligned with your design's emphasis. For backgrounds, scale them to fill the space, or swap in a background that better suits the new orientation. For text, reduce or increase font size, tweak line spacing, and keep headlines within the safe area, so they remain readable on mobile. Group related items before moving them to keep spacing consistent, and use alignment tools and snapping guides to center or edge. Align elements cleanly. If you are using logos or watermarks, keep a comfortable margin from the edges to avoid accidental cropping in social feeds. Give everything a final scan to ensure balance, legibility, and visual hierarchy still feel intentional in the new aspect ratio. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.